what's up? Today what I'm going to be doing is showing my animals. And so the animals that we have at the house, we have fish, we have bearded dragons, we have some dogs, and we have a cat. And so let's get straight to it. And a bunny. So let's get straight to it. Hang on just a second. I'm going to go find them and bring them in here one by one. And I'll be back. Here's one dog, Prissy. Say hello. Say hi. Say I'm Prissy. Say I love to play. She's cute, but sometimes, like when you go to pick her up, she like flips on her back like a baby. I'm going to let her run off. And I'm going to go get the other dog. Oh, I just ran into the camera. So while she sits here, I'm going to go get the other dog. My other dog is asleep, but I can take you out there and I can show you. So I'm going to show you the bearded dragon. The bearded dragon is my uncle's, but we still have it. See him? He just lets it there. Sorry about my face, it's sunburned. I put the bunny.
Number one doctor recommended is the next 12 hours. The bilayer tablet immediately releases.
There's the bunny. Her name is Mercedes. That's Mercedes. I don't know if you can see her. Can you see her? You guys? Can I open it? I can open it.
Sometimes you have to unfollow your own dreams.
But she's very old. Her babies. Her babies died. Her babies died. I believe that. Where's the kitty cat?
The kitty, she's probably in my bathroom. She's not in the bathroom. If you don't see her, she's not in there.
I don't see her, but she's in here. No. I gotta find her. Well, I need to find the cat. Do y'all know where she is? I'm gonna have to find her. Do you know where the cat is?
Nope.
Where the heck is she? But she's back here. She wouldn't be back here. Trying to find the cat. I can't find the cat. I don't know where she's at. Yeah. No, I looked there. I might not be able to show y'all the cat. I don't know where she's at.